The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Ferrari 12Cilindri are constant and impossible to ignore. This walkthrough shows how to silence them with Beep Away. We'll use a Ferrari 12Cilindri as our example in this walkthrough. The same steps work on any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The home page shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Ferrari. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the 12Cilindri. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Ferrari 12Cilindri is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Ferrari 12Cilindri. Then tap Next, enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Ferrari, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Ferrari 12Cilindri 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file, Ferrari 12Cilindri 2025 Azure config file personalized for your Vine. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Ferrari 12Cilindri 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like every new Ferrari, your 12Cilindri ships with intelligent speed assist that issues a warning beep whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms every drive and often misreads signs that are wrong or out of date, so the beeping rarely stops. That's exactly what Beep Away permanently silences, while everything else in your car continues to work perfectly. The configuration loads directly from the USB stick. Beep Away does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply pull the stick out whenever you like, and the factory warning sounds will return. We used a Ferrari 12Cilindri in this demo, but your car follows the exact same Beep Away steps. Owners of many brands encounter the same persistent ISA warning beep problem. If you drive a 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri, you are not imagining it. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Forum discussions and review comments highlight beeps on every small overspeed, settings that reset every ignition, and menus that only mute it until the next drive. That is why so many people search for a proper fix, and why we will answer a few common questions next. Beep Away loads a reversible configuration from the USB stick while it is plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car returns to normal. Nothing is permanently rewritten. If warranty wording matters for your lease or country, we recommend reviewing your own terms. Yes, Ferrari 12Cilindri owners follow the same Beep Away process you just watched. Enter your VIN on beepaway.com to double-check compatibility before you order. You need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes at home. No dealer visit, no coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration on Beepaway. Search Google for Beepaway or go straight to beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.